This is the Going Sofa Slipcover. It is for a 3-cushion sofa. I'm using it here in my RV. It is very easy to install. It does come with great clamps. You can see here, and you can set those and adjustable so that you can keep that to the certain tightness that you prefer. It also comes with these foam pieces that will secure it in place, keep it nice and secure and tight. And here you just push it in. It does have these cute little imprints of paws, and it does appear to be waterproof. I've had my dogs on here and after a muddy day, and really there's no damage to the couch underneath. It's been staying well protected, and it is a leather couch, so I prefer that it not get damaged. So overall, this is performed well. As with most seat covers, you do have the need to adjust them on a regular basis. I have washed this seat cover probably half a dozen times, and it is still waterproof. I hope you enjoy this review.